Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Instagram ads, promote posts and stories step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in www.instagram.com and hit enter. Log into your Instagram account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. On your profile page, look for the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Click on these three lines to open the menu. From the menu, select Settings at the bottom. In the Settings menu, find and click on Account. Scroll down and click on Linked Accounts. Make sure your Facebook account is linked, as this is necessary for advertising. Return to your profile and click on the post or story you want to promote. For posts, click the three dots in the upper right corner of the post. For stories, tap on the story you wish to promote and then tap the three dots at the bottom. Select Promote from the options that appear. You will be directed to a new window where you can choose your promotion goals. Select the goal that best suits your advertising needs. Then, choose your target audience based on demographics and interests. Next, set your budget and define how long you want your ad to run. Review your selections carefully. Once satisfied, click on the Create Promotion button. Instagram will review your promotion for compliance with their advertising policies. After approval, your promotion will go live, reaching your chosen audience. Keep track of your ad's performance metrics through the Ads Manager. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.